Hello, Dubai Safari Park. Here's the entrance. Main entrance. Yes.
No, down. After.
So we're here at, what will you say? Where are we? Zoo, say zoo. Say zoo, where are we? Zoo, say zoo. Yay! With mommy and Demi and Lola. Init. We're here at the where? Zoo, say zoo. Zoo. Yay! Clap your hands.
Double check mo din, baka binigyan.
Going to the Explorer Park through a train. Say hello, Demi. Hello, Demi, sa video. Say hello. Say hello. 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 We will ride the train. Say hello, Demi. Ba. Oh. Yes, bus. Riding the train, going to Explorer Park. Wow. Wow, Naya, Tay. Video yan. Yes,
Dubai Safari.
Yes. Say hello, say hello. Excited na yun si Demi. Mga turista natin. Si Madam Josmas. Saka si Tatay Ober. Makakakita kami ng mga hayop sa Dubai. Demi, say hi. Say hi sa video. Hi. Hello, Demi. Come. Ating African village. Chimpanzee, gorilla, reptile. Wow! Yes, we will see elephant. No camel, chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Come. Let's go, Demi. I will Demi, come here. Demi, let's go here. Ayun, chimpanzee. Madami siyang sugat.
Hindi, wala na siyang hair.
Wala siyang hair. Dinidilaan niya. Stress siguro siya.
Oh my goodness. Ang laki niya, no?
Ang laki, parang tao.
Parang tao nga.
Demi. Let's go here. Let's look inside. What's that, Demi? Ay, naku, laki ng bibig niya, Demi. Come, look, oh. Ang dami nila. 3 gorilla. Gorillas. Ano ito? Gorillas? Chimpanzee. Demi, look here. Demi. Tatay. Look, tatay, Demi, no? Look, tatay. Hello. Nagalit. Nag-aano sila sa mga baging. Nag-perform talaga yung monkey. Nung marunong mag-show.
Talaga pinapakita nila sa tao. Ngayon, natin mo, inaalis sa Espanyol. Gusto niyo daw to.
Oh, paano tayo? Paano?
Nagkaya mo si Lolo.
Oh, paano, Lolo?
Ayun na, tumaas sila sa mga mata.
Ayun. Naano talaga sila sa salamin. Diyos ko, buti matibay yung salamin.
Uy, tayo ba?
Sama mo si Demi. Demi, come, dali. Touch mo. Touch mo yung mga ng unggoy. Takot siya. Orangutan, chimpanzee, gibbons, gorilla. Ang laki ng gorilla.
Saka doon chimpanzee. Kaya, picture.
Yung unggoy na movie, anong pangalan nun?
King Kong.
King Kong? Ano si King Kong? Gorilla?
Gorilla mo lang.
What's that? Look here sa video. Hi! Dami. Merong mga deer. Hindi yung dinosaur. Mamaya yung dragon. Ito naman, kala ko naman kung ano. Oh, cute. Patay kayo. Nagwawala pa rin yung mga monkey. Oh, nasaan yung gorilla? Demi, where's the gorilla? Where's the gorilla? Where? It's missing. Gorilla, gorilla, gorilla.
Gorilla. Ayan o, the gorilla.
Demi, paano gorilla? Come daw. Ika. The gorilla. Oh, we'll go there. Para makita natin. Hi, Mami.
Ayoko na hold.
Mami.
May
Oh, mamaya na yung lion na lang muna tsaka gorilla. Gorilla.
Parang tao din.
Mag-isa lang kasi siya eh.
Makapagmata.
Wow. Reaction ni Demi nung nakita ang gorilla.
Meron daw ayan o, kumakain siya. Ayan, hiniga.
Meron tayong live tour ng ating agent. Yes, don't eat your dress. Ganda ng gorilla, no? Ganda ng gorilla, oh. Wow.
Gorilla niya. Ang ganda, oh.
Wow. Here at the reptile house. Mommy, look here. Demi. Wow. Demi, look here. Ay, ano yan? Ahas.
Python.
Python. Demi.
Paano snake din eh?
Sige, yaman na ubusin yung energy niya. Ay! Ang galing! Ano yan? Lizard. Ha? Ang galing! Demi yung...
Lizard. Ang galing. Snake. Demi, don't touch.
Ayun, snake! Ang laki ng snake, mami! Ayun, ang laki ng snake.
Oh my God, ang laki mo, Toti.
Demi, look at the snake.
Python din ba?
Look!
Laki yan eh, buntis. Buntis siguro yan. Nakakain.
Demi, ay, nahulog na siya.
What's that, Demi?
Alug!
Turtle!
Alug!
Hulog! Turtle!
Uh-oh!
Uh-oh! Demi, look at turtle. Hug, no. Look at the sliders na lang. Huwag nang water. Where's the frog, Demi? Where's the frog? There. Si Kokak. Kokak. Abit. Python na naman. Nasaan? Nawawala naman eh. Ay, yung lizard.
Green snake? That's pretty
Wow, hi. We're looking at the spiny-tailed lizard.
Yung color na din siya.
Nasaan? Let me look here. Nakatalikod. Oh, nasan yung ano? Diamond carpet. Ah, diamond carpet pa yun to. Ang galing, Demi. Yung diamond din pangalan niya. Parehas sa'yo. Snake. The diamond python. Mexican black king snake. Nasaan? Naku, nawawala. Bus ko baka mamaya nakawala na. Ay, ang galing! Brown basilisk. Baby. Wow! Flamingo Station. Wow! Daming flamingo.
Look at this. Lala, go. Wow, lala ka na.
Come daw kayo, dali.
Maluwag.
Hi, goodie, smile. One more. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Ay, ikaw naman.
Here at the giraffe station. Wow. Say hello na sa video. Hi. Sige, Demi. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Giraffe feeding photos. May giraffe feeding. Yan. Kala mo Picture ka daw with hippos. Safari tour. Go.
Grapes or banana? Banana.
Banana. Eat. Eat na yung chimpanzee.
Nom nom nom.
Nom nom nom. Hello. We're riding the bus. We will see giraffe, lion, and elephant. Wow. Nakain ang aming monkey. Monkey. Paano monkey? Paano monkey? Ay, bigat yun. Eat mo na, eat. Look po, hippopotamus. Video mo, may hippopotamus.
Laki ng talapia.
Tignan ko si Demi. Laki. Sarap kaya si adobo yan.
Parang laki pa sa baka. No? Parang si Bigel.
Hippopotamus. Wow. Ay, nakain sila Demi. Look po. Wow.
Doble sa baka, no?
They pass 16 to 20 hours in the water. They can drink 20 liters of water in 1 day only.
20 hours sa water. Ang galing naman nila.
Kaya palagyan sila kalaki.
And 45 kilograms of
Look, Demi, there's a giraffe. Busy siya kumain ng banana. Demi, ito ko. Demi, ito ko. Ito, giraffe tayo sa kabila.
Sa bird, sabi niya.
Ayun, wow. Giraffe. Say giraffe. Ang tangkad.
I know you guys are more interested in giraffe. So giraffe is
Giraffe. Giraffe. Say giraffe.
5 to 16 to 20
Giraffe. Ito, itong ibon. Pakita mo doon. More daw. Nagugutom pa siya. Wow. A bird. Giraffe. Bird.
and they taking next 2 hours in a day. Yeah.
2 hours lang?
Why spending because they think other predators might attack.
Eh, maliit to.
Pwede. 2 hours lang matutulog yung giraffe. Tibay nila, no? Say giraffe. G. Giraffe.
Stay from a giraffe, that time they are so aggressive. One properly they speak from a giraffe to kill a lion.
Really? Galing naman. Nakaka-kill daw ng lion ang giraffe. Galing, no? Ang haba kasi ng leeg niya.
Baka pinapulipot sa leeg.
In case any will escape or if there is any emergency.
Ang ganda. Sana yun. Galing pala. Dami.
Whole world, Africa and Asia.
Sa baba.
Ang dami. Yung isa parang ano na siya, oh, hindi nagalaw.
Maganda na eh.
They're all grooming each other.
Ano ginagawa nila? Nagdadasal? Demi, you like you. Uha! Uha!
Demi, ikaw.
Demi, huha, huha. Demi. Huha, huha. Pagkatapos kumain ng saging, dede. Ayos ang monkey namin. Wow. Zebra. Zebra. Yes. And ano, mga deer, mountain deer. Zebra, yes. Ano yan? A bird. Ang galing ng bird, oh. Chicken daw. Eat, yes. Zebra.
Their body is black or white? Their body is black and very white. Having white kind of appearance. They are wild beasts.
Ang galing, wildebeest.
They all, even those are sitting, they are wild beasts. Their speed is around
Demi,
80 kilometers
look
per
here.
hour. And they move from Kenya to Tanzania and back to Kenya for food. They get tired quickly. These are white vertical lines.
Hi!
They have spiral horns
Ang laki, pwede mo sakayan yan, Demi.
without horns of female.
Ito, sa kabila.
Their cute babies are also.
Demi, dito sa kabila. Ang dami.
They have long backward turning horns and they can survive without predators or water around them.
Nakanganga nila ako, no? Ganun, no? Nakahaba ng sungay nila, no?
Almaha within a meter herd.
Pinakain din nila para mga ano, mga
Almaha is like little different. It's like blackish brown. On your right side, around 14 kilometers per hour.
Galing, oh, Demi. South Africa.
Again, their speed is around 80-90 kilometers per hour. Can jump 6 to 8 feet high also.
Galing. Demi.
On your left side, we have again springboks here.
Yan yung mga humahabol sa ano, nanakaw. Pagtidyo.
Ay, laki, Ma'am Demi, oh.
Again, on your right side is
Common Eran. Ang laki ng mga common Eran, parang bako.
king of savanna, the king of grasslands. Which animal is this?
Dito tayo sa lion. Oh my God, Demi, lion. Demi, hug mo si Daddy, hug. Nasaan yung lion?
They are so dangerous.
Ayun na, dalawa.
Yun lang yun.
Where's the baby?
Sleeping, hindi ko nakita. Nakita ko lang naglalakad ng dalawang mag-jowang lion. Where's the lion there? Ayun, there's a lion there! There's a lion! White na siya.
Hello, lion! Ang laki na itlog, oh!
Lalaking lalaki.
Swim na, maganda ba? Hindi. Tumalon.
Hindi.
They have big mustache kind of horns.
Nanunuwag daw sila ng lion.
Ang kalabaw.
Madaming ganyan sa Cavite eh.
We have electrical wiring here also.
Dahil di sila makalayo.
In case because they are very aggressive, so they do not cross to the area because we have other animals.
Ayun, rhino, laki.
On your left side, we have southern white rhinos. They are so huge. They are very strong. 3,000 kilograms. They are 70 kilometers per hour. Imagine if they hit something, it's gonna be so dangerous. But
Big. Hello! Hi! 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 Gising!
have you seen these smaller ones? Outside the baby.
Like that? Oh, gising!
Currency in Africa it's around 5,000, 5 million. In dirhams it's 5,000 dirhams. Male are having longer horns, female shorter.
Bull.
Also we have water sprinkler here, so they are getting cooling system as well. And the
What's that then? Oh no, what's that? A bull. Say bull. Buffalo. Say buffalo.
Crocodile, a live experience.
Ah,
Now
crocodile.
we have Nile crocodiles. They are the most dangerous. They have the strongest biting force. 5,000 pounds per square inch, even more than hippos. Hippos are 1,800 pounds per square inch.
Ang galing naman ng mga crocodile. No, pag kinagat ka ng crocodile, patay ka.
8,000 teeth during their whole life. 8,000.
Where's the crocodile?
On your left side, look at your left side.
Mayroong crocodile. Nasaan yung crocodile?
One of them is in the water, other one is
Oh, crocodile!
Nasaan yung crocodile? Ah, yun. Crocodile. Kikita.
they can live up to 100 years in captivity.
30 years? Pwede siya nang
On
buwan
the right side, you have seen the birds here.
Di ba si
Why the
Lolo?
birds are not
Oh, si Lolong.
because they are clean and healthy.
100.
Malaki naman si Lolong.
Di ba 100 si Lolong?
Sport, they are adepts.
Yeah.
They can be recognized by alphabet text on their face.
Lunchtime na.
While on your right side, that animal with the black coat, they are the national animal of Zimbabwe, sable antelope. They have long backward
Antelope.
horns, and if the predator attacks them, they will escape the attack also.
Ang galing.
Ano yung mga ibon?
Yung Chubby Chinson, meron yan eh, tatlo.
Tigers, they have 4 canines that grow by 4 inches every morning here. Indian support. And older ones are grayish in color, younger ones are brownish in color. Look at this one, the small one. The small one is hog deer. This one is the hog
Ang
deer.
galing, ang lalaki nila.
Have you seen the small one?
Ano kayong lasa niya? Tayo pag kinordereta mo yan, lasa niya.
And hog deers, they are
Demi
the
o
most
camel?
shy animals.
Hindi ko ang dahil niya nakikita
It's
dito
very
eh.
on your right side.
Huwag makina kay nanay, baka sakyan ni nanay.
They
Come on.
And from years and years they have been used for trade purpose in Arab countries.
Diba iba
How
ng
many liters of water do you think a thirsty camel can drink in 10 days?
So it's years.
More? 25.
Dami deers, oh. Daming deers. Where are the deers? Look siya.
On the right side we have some bar here.
Ang dami.
And there,
Sarap yung kaldereta.
Ulam mo na yan tayo isang taon. Ang dami, oh.
Lasa yan.
Hindi na mag-grocery.
we have some of the keepers here to see.
Hi, Demi. What are you eating?
Water buffaloes here, they are found in
Sky Flakes. Very good. Ay, ano yung hayop na yan? Naka-green. Cheetah. 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 Nako. Kamukha ni Liberty. Cheetah.
They have long, unique kind of appearance and some
Cheetah. Galing mo. Nakita mo ng cheetah.
Ayan.
You want to see lion? Lion, wala nang lion kanina. Lion is finished. Lion is finished. Kiss mo na si Daddy. Ay, ang sungit naman. Oh, kiss na lang si Daddy sa'yo. Sungit naman. Ang sungit naman ng bebe ko. Love you. Lola daw.
Yes, I
Aba, nagpapaki sa Lola. Ay, ayun pala sa harapan natin. Cheetah, Demi. Ayun o, ayun o, ayun o. Ayun o.
Alright, we have it.
Cheetah.
Wetlands, African makes, Asian makes, vegetable group.
The giraffe. Where's the giraffe? Yun. Where's the giraffe? Yun. Giraffe. Kasi kain ka na kain. Hindi mo na yung nakita yung giraffe. Saan? Oh. Demi! Look na hippopotamus, oh! Wow! Ang laki! Mas gusto niya makipaglaro sa mga bata. Kaysa makikita na tayo. Hippopotamus.
Lalaki ng mga daliri ko.
I-adobo mo kaya yan ay. What's that? Hippopotamus. Big hippo. Wow.
Ipan na mamagay niya.
Cheetah viewing.
Paano ka-update yung dulo ng hotel? Paano umakyat yung dulo?
Di ba mataas siya tumalon?
Ito nakapalta ang damit.
Riding a train, going to Asian Village. With Madame Josa. And Senior Lolo Obet. Mga with seniors. And batang makulit na ayaw magpa-picture. Video na lang.
Mas bababa ka lang pala ng photo-belly ako.
Eto na tayo. Wow! Paipit si nanay. Lalakarin nyo yan na yung haba. Oh. Magiging cheetah talaga kayo. Here at the Asian Village. Mommy, say hi. Indian Eatery. Demi sleeping na. Hello, Nay, sa video. Down to our last stop. Hindi naman namin makita yung bear sa Asian Village. Ano na to? Ano yan? Madilim. Walang nakalagay. Demi! Wala eh. Demi, what's here? What's the animal that you can see? Nothing. Damo yun tayo. Damo. Wala. Gusto nila lumabas. Natagpuan na din natin ang hinahanap nating ibon.
Demi, ayun o.
Demi, look, oh, there's the bird, oh. There. There, oh. Okay, wait. Sabi ako kay mami.
Yes.
Wow! Kaya nga mo, ang locker.
Tayo, kali kanina.
That's the end of our trip.
No.
Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Zoo. Bye-bye, Zoo. Nay, bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Ay.
Bye-bye.
Eh, tinatakpan mo naman yung camera. O, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Kiss, flying kiss. Bye.